Hello everyone, this is my PE resource newsletter. Okay, so let's get started on all the resources. So first I have Shape America. It's a national health organization that focuses on health education. Here's a link for more information, and I also put in some quick links from Shape America, like Teacher's Toolbox, Hot Topics in PE, health education, and some upcoming events. Also, I added some information about recess and its importance, some quick facts right here. The next resource is Choose My Plate. I added a My Plate brochure and some quick links for dietary guidelines, recipes, toolkit, some printables for the young kids, and some games here for um, for young children. This takes you directly to PBS website with health education games. And I posted here, right here, Mi Plato 10 Consejos in Spanish for those families that need that too. The next resource is Healthy Children. This is another great resource which focuses on all, like the whole child. It has it's great for parents, and I posted uh, the link here. It'll take you directly to the link, and Healthy Children's Magazine, and some videos that you can watch from this site. Another great resource is My Amazing Body. This book is great for young children. It has great illustrations on healthy eating habits and how to be physically active. Two articles I chose are Learning to Move, Moving to Learn, about the benefits of PE, and why PE needs to be in schools. And this other article, which I thought was interesting, it's Iowa teens can do yard work for school credit. Uh, Students are doing yard work in their communities, also some other types of activities like canoeing and hiking. It's a great article. That's it.